Completely waterproof. This is a marine speaker that's completely waterproof and can be used for several vehicles because it can withstand heavy water splashes and other outdoor conditions. 200 watts power. The speaker has a 20 ounces circuit magnet for a full-range audio and complete stereo speaker sound system. The power output is 100 watts RMS, 200 watts peak. It has a frequency response of 85 Hz to 20 kHz and 4 ohms impedance. Weather resistant. It's a weather-resistant speaker made of polycarbon cone with butyl rubber surround for a rugged and durable design. It is also engineered with heavy-duty molded ABS plastic basket and grille construction to combat sun damage. Low-profile design. Constructed with a low-profile design with a sensitivity of 90 decibels and 1-inch aluminum voice coil that can be easily used on boats, marine watercraft and other vehicles. The classic white look also gives extra style to the vehicle. 6.5 inches standard size. These marine speakers are easy to install with 6.5 inches standard size, complete wirings and mounting hardware. It has a universal standard OEM replacement size with a mounting depth of only 2.48, and cutout size of 5.31 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Love them. I've had several sets of speakers on my golf cart, and these outdo them all. None have lasted this long, and kept the same sound quality they had since day one. The speakers occasionally get wet while we ride back and forth on Outland and the speakers just kept thumping. Easy install and perfect clear sound. 10 out of 10.